Meet Milo, a curious little kitten, with fluffy silver fur and eyes as blue as the autumn sky. Every morning, he loved to gaze out his window, dreaming of adventures. One day, a golden leaf danced right past Milo's window. It swirled across the yard, then disappeared behind the fence. "I have to know where it came from," Milo declared, leaping through the window to begin his chase. The playful leaf led Milo on a merry chase. It floated past the clucking chicken coop, skipped over the colorful flower garden, and then gracefully twirled into the deep green forest.